You keep talking over me and you don't be quiet.
What's
Let
the
me
question?
speak.
You're not even answering any of my questions. So it does.
Conversation.
What is your name, sir?
I didn't give it.
I know. So I'm asking you, what is your name?
Right, I didn't give it.
Why you're not giving your name? Is there a reason why you're here? Are you a student?
Who are you?
I'm Officer Lofton.
Cool. What's your badge number?
Right here, 1383.
Oh, awesome. All right. So I'll take your information.
Okay.
That's good.
Well, information was given.
Awesome.
So why are you here?
He's not doing anything else.
Do you have an appointment?
As long as he's not.
So
Do
you're not
you
answering-
have an appointment
Yes,
with
I
me?
work here.
With me?
Yes, I do. Because when
I
someone calls,
charge for questions.
Okay, well you
So-
can charge me all you want. You can charge the Sacramento State
No,
University.
if you want to pay up front, I'll answer your questions.
No.
I do. Okay,
You
well
don't
then
owe
you
me,
should.
you're not employed by, to paying me, so.
No, I am paying you. You're completely wrong about that.
No, it's not true.
No, it is true.
So,
you get
do you
paid
have an
by you get
do you
paid
have
you
an
get excuse me,
appointment?
you get paid
Do you
by
have an
public
appointment
tax
here?
dollars. I do pay you.
Okay, well
But-
I pay my own money. So.
No, you don't. You
What do we
pay
do?
from taxes, so you can
just
just be on your way.
Do you want that, do they want them to leave?
Yeah, I mean, it doesn't.
There you go. Tell her it doesn't matter.
Okay.
You almost said it.
No, I mean-
it was right. It
no,
doesn't matter.
I mean-
You should say that. You should say
They
exactly
don't feel
that.
comfortable with him here. I was like, they said as long as he does not filming any personal documents or any important documents that aren't supposed to be shared,
Okay.
right?
Are you, do they want him to leave or not? I don't know with me.
Doesn't matter if they do. It's public property.
Not in the building, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
You can be outside.
This is
no,
a
it's not.
public
Unless
office.
you're, no, it's not.
Yeah, it
Do you
is.
have an
It's
appointment?
open to the public.
Do you have an
You see
appointment?
the sign on the outside? It doesn't say authorized personnel.
It says
Open to
it's
the
for
public.
it's for students only.
Or their parents, right?
Are you a parent?
Or somebody from the. I am a parent. Or
Okay,
somebody
but
from
do
the.
your student
Ma'am,
go
you
here?
keep talking over me and you don't be
What's
quiet.
the
Let me
question?
speak.
You're not even answering any
A
of my questions, so it
conversation
doesn't
goes.
matter.
I don't have to answer your
Well,
questions,
yes,
but I
I
can
do.
give you information. A parent can come in here. Somebody trying to get information, anything. That's called open to the public.
Okay.
And
Are
the
you
Supreme,
getting any
excuse me,
information?
the
You're
Supreme
not.
Court. I am.
No.
I'm gathering it partly with
Okay.
this. The Supreme
I don't
Court
even know why you're-
disagrees
It's a
with
First
your
Amendment audit.
uneducated self,
sorry, what?
so
It's a
you
First
should go back
Amendment
and do what
auditor.
you're doing.
You know what that is?
No.
It's
What?
people that come in public spaces and just film, pretty much.
So what is he filming now? What are you filming?
None of your business.
Oh, okay.
He doesn't technically have to answer us. We can ask him as many questions as possible as long as he's in. So if he's in a public space, right? There's not much we can do about it.
I don't know
unless-
why.
There's
why
Unless-
aggression. There's nothing you can do, right? You almost said it earlier, and you were right.
It depends.
And I
right?
actually respect it, right?
It
So-
depends. It depends, right? If
Well, in
if you
this
have- if you
situation,
have- if
there's
you have
nothing you
business
can
here,
do.
right? You obviously this is a public space, right? But
Mhm.
depending on what higher ups say, right, they could trespass you.
No, they can't. 602 of the Penal Code is very clear. You don't get to trespass based on somebody exercising constitutional rights. It's
I understand.
very
I understand.
fucking clear.
I understand.
And the
That's
case
if-
law
that's
from the
if-
Supreme Court is very clear
I understand.
too.
That's if this
So,
is
just- hold on, I hear that a lot.
specifically a public space, correct?
Right. So
have you
I hear
read
it.
anywhere, right, within
No.
like
I don't know why
any
he's
document
filming,
saying
but he's here trying to
this
film.
this
And
space
he's saying
right
this is a
here
public space.
is a
It's
public
not
space
going
and
to film.
you can't film here and stuff.
Even if
or-
they had a
or-
sign that
or-
says you can't film here, it wouldn't matter at all.
Or
Right,
if
so-
it's for people who are doing business here.
Well, this is business. This is the First Amendment. I'm
Business
doing a story.
Right.
They said-
Business with a school.
But how do you know I'm not? I'm doing
Yeah.
business with the school. So this is the thing. The Supreme Court said, and Brandsburg v. Hayes says, anywhere random members of the public have access to, the media has access to.
Okay.
So if a parent, any one of these students can
Gotcha.
walk in here, then I can as well. They can't say, well, we don't like your camera now. You got to go. It doesn't work like that.
I get it.
And I'm
I
just
get it.
saying, educate yourself a bit more. Because what you're saying is mostly right.
I know,
But
I
I hear cops say, well, if my higher ups say that they're going to trespass you, then that's what we're going to do. You don't have to obey unlawful orders. To trespass me would not only violate my rights, but it would also add you to
No,
a
I know.
lawsuit. You don't want to do that.
I understand.
Right?
I understand. This is.
She doesn't. Educate her. Have
it's a-
you
it's
been
a-
on
it's
longer
a-
than
it's
her?
a- It's a public area, right? Because
Yeah.
obviously we're
a
allowed
public
in,
office.
right? And you're saying you're doing business.
Right. Yeah, it's business.
So are you media?
Yeah,
You're media?
I'm doing a story on the college. Yep.
Okay. Are you a vlogger, blogger, or do you work for a media company?
Well, I'm not going to go into that specifics, but yeah, I'm doing a story on the college.
Okay. Okay.
So it's real simple.
So you're not working
I
for, like, a
actually dealt with one of your
newspaper,
guys'. Well, again, that's you're going more into it.
I
I
don't know,
said
I'm just
not
trying.
gonna go
I'm just trying to
into it.
understand what you're doing here, right? You're saying you're doing media, right? You're trying to cover a story, potentially.
To be media, somebody doesn't have to work for a paper or a news, mainstream news media, right?
What kind of story?
There's all kind of independent journalists, and
Right.
what somebody called back in the day, I forget who coined the terminology, was like a gonzo journalist, right?
I've never-
All
okay.
kind, check it out.
Okay.
There's all kind of different journalists. So
Are you doing like a story on
on the
athletes?
just on the college,
Just on the college in general?
everything, everybody in the college.
Okay. So
Yep.
the reason why I asked is because you're in an athletic office, correct? So that's
For
why I was
sure.
wondering if you're
Yeah,
like doing a story
I'm gonna try to
on.
get some records. But this is the thing, I'm also gonna get some of this, which we all have
Yeah, no,
access
yeah, that's
to.
obviously, yeah.
If I want to get a business card or come
Right.
in here and ask a question, I have access
Right.
to it, right?
Right. I mean,
So they asked me
Let's
if
hope
I
into
could,
that.
if they could help me at first. I said no. Right now, I'm just gonna get my shots. I'll let
Okay.
you guys know when I need help.
okay.
Since then, they're just mad that I'm recording, right?
I
And
get
so,
it, yeah.
based on the fact I knew they called you because I seen them right here calling,
Yeah.
I said, well, I'll sit here and wait. I'm not going to
Okay.
run away and have you guys searching around for me. You know what I mean?
Okay.
So,
Okay.
but other than that, I'm gonna get some of this still. I'm gonna ask for some records, and then here I'm done.
Okay.
So,
Okay. Okay. Thank you for talking with me. I appreciate it.
all good, bro. Thank you for knowing, right? We
I
appreciate
see all
that
on
type of
YouTube
stuff.
all the time.
Yep. So that officer, in my opinion, was a good officer.